Whipped double chain stitch is useful if you want a very dramatic strong line that is working on a foundation of 2 rows of chain stitch. If you need to refresh your knowledge about how to do chain stitch, you can watch this video tutorial. Create 2 closely placed lines of chain stitch. Make sure they are aligned each other and the spacing between the stitches is the same. Now come up from one end of the rows with another thread. Pass the needle under the inner sides of both chain stitches. You will only pass under half of each chain stitch, the lower half in the top row and the upper half in the bottom row. Don't pick up any fabric. Continue down the row of chain stitches, picking up only inside parts of the chain stitches, and always passing the needle through the chain stitches from the same direction. The rope will form in the middle as you work down the 2 lines of chain stitch. I'm using light green because it shows up against the blue and you can see the stitch clearly, but you don't have to use contrasted threads. You can use the same color threads depending on the look you want. At the end of the stitch, simply take down the needle between 2 rows and secure the thread with a finishing stitch on the back side. This is a fun little stitch to play with. Give it a try to see what you can do with it. And then let me know all your ideas in the comments. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you and you learned something. If yes, please give it a like and leave your comment. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that. In my next video, I will be talking about all the rest chain stitch variations and you will probably learn more stitches with me. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!